In this video I'm gonna perform a Wi-Fi speed test on Xiaomi 17T. I'm gonna check out what is the download speed on this phone. I also performed a similar test on my computer just to compare results, so that I'm gonna see if it's that much slower compared to my PC. So, on my computer I managed to get 928 megabits per second, whereas over here you can see that on the phone I almost reached 600 megabits per second. It stated 589 megabits per second, so the difference is quite a bit, of course. There is quite a big of a difference, I would say, still, almost half of the difference of the speed. Whereas the upload speed is only 89 megabits per second, but that is not because the phone has such a slow upload, it's actually just my internet connection. Unfortunately, my internet has a very poor upload, so I don't think that information is relevant. But in the case of download, I'm pretty sure it is pretty close to the limit that we can get on the Xiaomi 17T. And this is how it looks like on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.